What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be playing Needoh Tower. So let's get into it. In 3, 2, 1, boom. I'm already a bit high. The sounds sound good. I'm turning it on. I'm a little bit high. What? What? Okay, I'm respawning. Oh, I already have it. I didn't see that. Oh, I have that needoh. Excuse me. The ice cream cone needoh. I have it. These animations are good. Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it later. I'm hungry.
You can make something, honey?
Can you grab me something?
I can't. We need to eat her in the car today.
See you later. Next is the sphere. I like this one the most. My friend has a gumdrop needoh. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, that looks so cool. That's not all worse sounds. Brr. Ready? I've watched my favorite YouTuber play this game, so this is gonna sound good. The crack better. He made it to world 2, 3, 2, 1. So far, that's the best sound. If you guys can make comments, tell me which is the best one. I don't care about no things. Banana. Oh, cats. My brother's friend has a super fuzzball cat. Needoh. Oh, that sounds good. No. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. When will I get the little butter squishy? I'm gonna die. Oh. Bruh. Bruh. Excuse me. What? Yo. I have dumplings. I'll open this once I make it to World 2. Oh. That kind of sounds like you're squishing the can, kind of. Best so far. That's the best sound so far, guys. Wait, can I get to... Dang it. Best sound so far, guys. So far, guys. Oh my god. Dang. The LM 36 is the 100th. We are now at World 2, so I shall not. It is vanished. All my things. Bruh. Bro. I hate you, stupid game. Yeah, kill me. Yeah. There we go. I want the needoh. I made it to World 2, guys. Let's open it. Sounds like you're drinking milk for this. First, let's kill myself. Oh, I think I'm about to check that out. No! Bruh. Kill me. Give me my things. Yeah, that's what I thought. Good game. I'm gonna crash out. Ah! Sorry, overreaction. Yes, kill me. Now spawn me up there. Yes. Whatever, I like this one. Oh, waxed. That's wax. Yo, that's freezed jam. Let's go kill myself. Yes. Yes. Sorry. Oh my god, I have this out. Why does it make you slower? I'm going to be so dang. Dang-a-lang, Matt. Yeah, that's a lot more stuff to do. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I swear I want to end the video so bad. Count how many times I've died. Why do these make you slower? These suck. I hate them. Oh my god. Right before I died too. Oh, I like these. Nah. Oh my god, that kind of sounds good. What the heck? Yeah. Yeah. Ah! Ah! No! Goodbye. Aura! Winner. Making a staircase out of, like, butter kind of thingy. That's winner. Yeah. What? Do I have stick shift or something? Do I suck? Aura. I'm going to crash out. Ah! Overreaction. Now kill me. Yes, please. Now send me up here. Thank you. I had waxed butter. I was going to crash out. Heck yes. I am gonna crash out. That is a 100% accurate. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh! What if I was stupid and I would jump here and I went, oh! Screw low battery. I don't give no dangle boppers. I don't give a crap. If you guys don't know and you can't say crap, it just means lots of dog poop. Yes, I saw this on Dash's screen too. It said he's watching. My friend has made some Roblox games, so I know what it kind of sounds like. That sounds like a BB gun. Pew. Put your hands up! Bow! Yeah. How do you like that? Just kidding. Oh my god. Oh. That smells so good. Oh. Man, where did I go? Put your hands up. Bow. Bow. Yeah. R.I.P. R.I.P. Just kidding. Oh. Yes. Oh, dang it. I wish it was like the first one. Oh, these things. New. Oh, my brother has a cake needoh. This is actually the literal cake needoh. Exactly what it looks like. Not what it sounds like. That's the winner. That's the winner right there. That's the winner. Right there. Right there was the winner. I think I'm dizzy. You think? Is left. Ah! Is left. I suck. No. Is left. Or is right. Or is right. Or man, I suck. It's left or it's right or it's left or yeah. What? Are we gonna have to do it all the way up there too, guys? Okay, after this, the video's over. Okay, guys? Oh. There we go. Oh my god. That's gonna sound the best. Let me hear it. That sucks. Endless mode, bro? What? Endless mode would be insane. I need World 7. Give me World 7. It has the needoh icicles. I have those. I have the needoh icicle, guys. It's like the popsicle with the stick. Yoink. After this, the video's done. If I die 3 more times, then the video's done too. Screw you, stupid shit. Nobody likes you. Yeah, that's what I thought. Pew! Oh, I thought that was a popping thing. That would just hurt you, but 2 more dies, guys. That one kind of sucks. Oh my god. Sorry. One more die, and the video's over. Okay, that's a redo. I'm just not paying attention there. I absolutely suck. What's that area down there? Yo, that's a secret island down there, guys. Look at that. We have a winner. It was that thing, those. The dumplings absolutely suck. That sounds okay. That one kind of sucks. This one's really good too. Ooh, let's hear this. No, that absolutely sucks, guys. I'm actually trying not to die, guys. Oh, guys, it's pretty much death. You guys got lucky there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Only for about at the end. Hey, keep doing it. I'll do it. Finish. Whatever, guys. I'm in the dang air. Oh my god. I'm gonna crash out. Just kill me. Okay, good boy. Wait, what? What? Overreaction. Boom. Should be called extremely satisfying tower. Not needoh tower. Puppets are not needohs. Spinning donuts with balls in the middle are not needohs. And yes, do not think about voices. Never mind. Just don't think inappropriate about balls, guys. You know what I meant. I am gonna die because you have no pie. Endless mode. Endless mode. I can go there now. Yo, it literally actually does not stop. Oh. Oh, it's supposed to help you if you fall, you don't die. That is not endless mode. I mean, this pretty much is. What the heck? That sucks. Yo, I gotta hear everything. I need to hear it. It has to be good. Like it actually sounds. Yes, it exactly says needoh on the thing. This is what I'm talking about, guys. I have this, the needoh cream cone thingy, and this. That does not squish like that unless you push on the top. And it does not sound like that at all, guys. No, mine does not look like that. But all of the sticks are yellow. Let's hear all sounds. Capybara, what the heck? Wait. Lego, duck, boba. Alright. This all sucks. What the heck? Wait, what the heck? That's okay. It's mid. I need ears. But it's supposed to crack. That's the best. That's the best. That's the best. That's my favorite. Wait, what? Can you hear the jellyfishes? It does not sound like that. My sister has these. Rising lava. I'm gonna slap you, get aim. The lava rises pretty fast. Oh my god. No! This is actually pretty fun. Oh, guys. Okay, so I thought that would actually work. Yo. Changes every time. Wait. Oh no, this is easy. What the heck? Clickers kind of sound like that. Last one. Ready, guys? Wait, we have to do all of them. Oh, okay. Okay. It's mid. It's mid. Bruh! I'm guessing, yeah. No. Once I die, the video is gonna be over. This is actually fun, guys. It's called needoh. It's called needoh Tower. You should play it. It's not bad. It's just it's kind of good. It's boring. Okay, see you guys later. I just died, so yeah, see ya. Ah!